Join us in transforming all aspects of your life in just 3 days at the Serious Connection Spiritual Retreat in Mars Hill, Maine. We are more than just a physical being, and this weekend of wonderful workshops will show you how to fully heal yourself and break through the matrix into the abundant, healthy, happy, divine being you deserve to be.
What I'll be sharing is my experience of going from homeless to creating the reality that I've created today.
How to overcome things like weight loss, depression, anxiety in a holistic manner.
Be about achieving quantum health and awareness in a time when we need it now more than ever.
How to really get to the point of spirituality where you can manifest the life that you want.
I personally will be speaking about the power of positive thinking.
In my talk, I will be bringing to you what is energy.
Water, personal solutions for drinking water, collective solutions for drinking water for the planet as a whole.
Some people will call it a natural opium, but it is a pain reliever.
I'm going to be presenting different methods involving sound healing, using both the 9 sacred solfeggio healing frequencies.
We're going to do a fun exercise where we get to feel energy.
You gotta have a real shift in the way we perceive reality in order to really thrive in these challenging times.
Life guides and how you can get this life to really work for you.
It'll be beneficial to some of you, to any of you who know that there's more for your life and you're willing to go out and pursue it.
Also featuring world-renowned Laura Eisenhower and many other speakers on this wonderful day. This workshop is unlike any other you've been to, and it's sure to be a magical, life-transforming experience with topics such as naturally relieving depression and anxiety, holistically and simply losing excess body weight, overcoming fear-based attachments and achieving abundance in your life, repairing your DNA and therefore your health with quantum physics, high vibration nutrition, unconditional love, and the power of positivity, which assists you in vibrating higher and thus attracting more wonders into your life. And finally, learning how to turn your life into the heaven it was always meant to be. Join us for just over $100 for all 3 days of the workshops. You literally cannot find a better investment for that price than coming up here for this weekend.
What I'll be sharing is the full evolutionary cycle of the soul, how every single soul in our planet experiences through 4 phases, and if they do so successfully, they will be able to live the life that they want to live.
All of these wonderful speakers and everybody involved in the event are coming to Mars Hill for one sole purpose, and that's to change the life of every single person that walks into that room that weekend. So don't wait. Claim your ticket now and join us before we run out, because if you're seeing this ad, you just may be meant to be here.
You can finally become the unstoppable and infinite being that you are.
I hope to see you all there, and I'm looking forward to it.